Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, and Happy New Year. I know this is long overdue. Haven't given y'all a good recipe since I think November, but it's January still. So Happy New Year. This is going to be the first Gooderthanamug episode of 2020, and I gotta tell you, I was just playing around and stumbled upon a very good recipe. I call it my GTAM shrimp, Gooderthanamug shrimp. This is my personal recipe, and I guarantee you, you will not be able to make this recipe with any other barbecue sauce because I tried it, didn't work. You can make it, but it's not going to taste as pure and authentic as your boy's personal recipe. It involves the Gooderthanamug barbecue sauce. You can get this at www.gooderthanamug.com. Go there, check out what else I have to offer, and go ahead and place your order if you feel obligated to do so. But anyway, without further ado, we're about to get into this delicious recipe, Gooderthanamug shrimp. Let's get busy. Alright, I got some shrimp, some jumbo shrimp. You can get these at the store. You can get them easy peeled. I left the shells on just for presentation purposes. But if you want to take them bad boys off, do your thing. Alright, so I'm going to hit it with some Chipotle powder, some Habanero powder, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, black pepper, some smoked paprika, and some coconut oil. I'm just going to blend that all in, mix it, and pop them bad boys in the refrigerator. Let them marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay? Have the exact measurements in the description. So just follow along with me right now. Make sure you tumble those shrimp and get them nice and coated. Hot ass pan, very hot. Make sure you get them hot as possible. I just threw water on there just to test it out. You know it's hot when the water beads up and rolls away and disappears. And no oil in this pan. We don't need it because we already put a little coconut oil on the shrimp. And we're just going to toss the shrimp into the skillet, sear them on each side for about a minute apiece. Alright, once you did that, I give it a little shake and a toss. Shake, push it forward, pull back, and you can just flip them like that if you want to. This is just me being extra. For the most part, when you get to that end, and then you get a nice sear on each side, go ahead and hit it with that Gooderthanamug barbecue sauce. Yes, this is the highlight of this dish. When I'm telling you, it brings this thing to life. Man, it's a whole nother ball game in a whole nother ballpark. There's another word. Anyway, I'm gonna hit it right there with some fresh lemon juice. I think I used about 1.5 lemons on this. Like I said, I'm doing this from memory because I made it, I think the night before, and it turned out so good. I said, man, I have to make this for the YouTube channel. So I was doing everything off memory. I don't have the exact measurement of lemon, but I'm pretty sure I used 1.5 lemons on this thing. Okay, just cut them in half, and then drop them in there, and then I add a little bit of water. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of water, just to loosen up that sauce, because I'm gonna make a dipping sauce with the residue in here. Alright, so hit it with a little lemon zest, and of course some fresh parsley for garnishing. Toss them in there really well, and at this point the shrimp are done. Take them out, set them aside, go ahead and get the sauce together. Alright, gonna hit it one more time with some lemon juice and a little bit more barbecue sauce, of course. Mix that all in together. Alright, and just to loosen it up one more time, I'm going in with water. Alright, I'm going to just a little bit of water because the barbecue sauce is already loaded with flavor. Yeah, lemon juice, so I didn't want to do anything too extravagant. No broth or none of that stuff. The water and the lemon sets it off just perfectly. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. That'll give you updates whenever I submit a new video. You don't want to miss them, okay? And make sure you don't be stingy, man. You like these recipes? Share them. Share them with your friend. Tell everybody about it. Your best friend, your mama, your grandmama. Tell them all about it, okay? Hey, to try this barbecue sauce and the seasonings, go to Gooderthanamug.com and place your order now. You're gonna love it. This shit make everything good.